How to fix no repost button on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to fix no repost button on TikTok. The TikTok repost button works just like the Facebook share button. It lets your followers see all the videos you repost. In order to use this feature, make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. To do that, just open App Store and look up TikTok. If you see that there are no updates available, just open the app from here. Otherwise, click on the update button. With the TikTok app open, find the video you'd like to repost. Let's try this one for example. On the screen, you should see the share button. When you click on that, you will see a yellow repost button. If you don't see the yellow repost button, there are three things you can try. Just go to your profile and click on the three-line icon on the right top corner. Then click Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy under Account. You should see Repost among the options on this page. Take note that the Repost option is only available in some countries. If you can't see it, we can try another way. Going back to the main Settings and Privacy page, scroll down until you see Cache and Cellular. Select Free Up Space and Clear Cache. Relaunch the app after clearing cache and try to check if you can now see the repost button. If that didn't work, try deleting the app and re-downloading it. Another course of action you can take is reporting the problem to TikTok. So go back to the main Settings and Privacy page and select Report a Problem under Support and About. Under Videos and Sound, select Other. Then click Need More Help. You may now type in the exact issue you are experiencing with the TikTok repost button. You can simply say, "My TikTok repost button is missing." If you like, you can also attach a picture or a screen video recording of the problem. Just click on Submit and wait for TikTok to respond to your concern. And those are the troubleshooting steps you can try in order to fix the no repost button problem on TikTok. If none of them work, just remember as well that this is just a new feature TikTok is gradually launching to all of its users all across the globe. So if after trying everything and it's still not there, maybe it's really just not yet available in your country. So just be patient and be always on the lookout for new updates. Maybe on your next one, that's the time that the repost button will be on your TikTok. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.